Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to keep Google Photos private. Firstly, I recommend to use strong password and also enable two-factor authentication. You can do this for Google account, because you know that we haven't Google Photos account, we have Google account. You can open Google Photos application, then tap at the profile icon at the right top, go to manage your Google account, also make sure that you use your correct account. Then security and sign in. And right here we have two-step verification, so enable it. I recommend you to do this. Next step is to avoid publicly posting your Google Photos link. Then we can check what you share with people. So we need to, in the Google Photos application, click at the profile icon at the right top and go to Google Photos settings. Then sharing and manage sharing activity. Firstly, we have shared links. Open it, and right here you have your shared links. So if you don't want to share it anymore, just click at the trash icon near to this link and delete it. Next we have memories. I don't have, but also you can remove it here. Check it and remove if you don't need it. And we have conversation. So open the conversation, you can check what you share with this user. You can click at the three dots at the right top, then sharing, and leave this conversation if you don't need it. Also we have sharing settings right here, but as you can see it only asks you to are you want to share a photo location. So you can disable it if you don't need to share with this user. Or you can leave it, as I said, you can click leave and leave. Next, if you want to check your shared albums, we cannot do this in the sharing activity. We need to return and go to collections. Right here we have albums, and you can check if you share these albums with someone. So right here we have to hide, and as you can see we have two users here. The first one is me, I am an owner. Check sharing settings. You can disable something if you don't need it. And you can click at the three dots near to the this person and remove person or block person. Right here, for example, we have option to leave. So this user share this album for me, so I can leave it, or I can click at the three dots and block this person. If you don't share it, let me find some album what I'm not sharing, and as you can see it asks me to share the link, so I don't share this album. So check your albums also. And if you have some private photo and we can log them. So in the collections we have logged folder, we have archive and log. The difference is when you move photos from main photos feed. So let me click on it. We can move to archive or to logged folder. When you move it to archive, you remove it from main photos feed, but you can find this photo in the albums or using search. And if you move the photo to logged folder, you cannot find this photo using main photos feed, using albums, and using search. You will have this photo only in logged folder. To access this folder, you need to write the password from your phone. Turn on, I recommend it to turn on backup. And right here we have these photos. If you remove some photo from logged folder, you will permanently delete this photo. So if you don't want to remove permanently the photo, I recommend it to firstly move it back and then remove it, and you will send this photo to trash from the photos feed or from the album. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!